Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here. I want to talk about the importance of COVID testing if you're doing our protocol to try to recover from some condition. Now, neurologically, you're fine. Autonomically, you're fine. Inflammatorily, you think you're fine. And you get something, and maybe, everybody in the family had it all of a sudden, and it's probably, could be COVID or influenza. You don't have to test. I don't see a big deal there, especially if nobody's in a high-risk group, you or any of the other household members. But if you do have some chronic inflammatory problem or autonomic dysfunction or POTS or brain fog that you're trying to recover from, knowing whether or not you had COVID can be very important. And this is because COVID can uniquely cause that second form of leaky gut, which triggers inflammation. And we've got to lower inflammation to get your body to recover. And so the main and the best understood form of leaky gut has been from excess bacteria in the small intestine, SIBO, leading to this leaky gut we call bacterial translocation. And that means fragments of bacteria actually leak into the body, can trigger a big inflammatory response. But if you're on rifaximin, anulin, and the bacteria aren't there, that would stop that, take care of that. But what's happened, we see with COVID now, is COVID is able to cause a unique form of leaky gut without excess bacteria up there. So your rifaximin may be working, and you get COVID, now you get a second form of leaky gut, all right? And your protocol kind of quits working. Now it's kind of important to know if you had COVID or not. And because if you do, that's when we add the glutamine, which can help that leakage. Now you might say, well, I'll just add the glutamine anyhow. Well, then you got this, then you got that. You're going to be adding a whole bunch of stuff you don't really even know, okay? If it wasn't COVID, you might say, well, don't add glutamine. Let's look for another problem, another source of this inflammation, all right? So, and I'm talking to people who are not in high-risk groups, not over 65, not with some immune system disorder, pulmonary disorder, heart disorder, kidney problem. I'm talking about people using our protocol to lower inflammation and try to recover, okay? I really advise you to do your COVID testing. Even if you think, it's not too bad, if symptoms aren't too bad, it can still punch these holes in your intestinal tract, okay? And so it's just really helpful to know. And this comes up here all the time, like, well, we were all sick in November, and I don't know, but, Bobby quit improving, we kind of noticed in December. I'm trying to figure out what to do next. And if they said, oh, we all had COVID in November, then that would be very helpful to guide my therapy, and I think it would be for you too. So anyhow, just a little pointer. Everybody have a good day. Bye.